My name is Angie Osler, and I'm the Vice President of Finance and Marketing for Quantum Design, Inc. in Machesney Park, Illinois. Quantum Design is a multifaceted control systems integrator providing custom turnkey automation solutions. Within our systems integration division, we provide electrical control systems design, HMI, PLC, servo, and VFD programming. We have extensive panel building capabilities inside of our 100 square foot facility, and we also own several OEMs that support the converting industries and metal production industries. Quantum Design's Systems Integration Division serves the food and beverage, aerospace, and chemical processing industries, as well as many plating and paint lines. As a systems integrator, we are or can be involved in almost every manufacturing industry. Quantum Design offers custom automation solutions with almost no project identical to one another. Our team is experienced in a variety of technology and software. We provide electrical control systems design, HMI, PLC, servo, and VFD programming. We have a panel building shop on site and can provide a turnkey solution from the engineering design through panel fabrication, installation, and support beyond the project. Or we can provide the select pieces of that overall process that a customer may need at any given time. Quantum Design has been providing controls automation solutions for over 35 years. We have a diverse workforce that comes with a lot of experience in multiple disciplines. Our controls engineers and panel shop personnel have an average tenure of over 20 years. Our sales and controls engineers take the time to understand your business and process line. We work with you to understand your project goals and seek out new and innovative solutions tailored to your unique needs. Our control panel fabrication department is top-notch. Our control panels can be UL 508A and CUL certified. The size of our facility allows us to take on projects both large and small. The workmanship provided by our control panel fabricators is the best in our region, with clean wire pulling, neatly bundled wires, and legible wire tags. Our work is of the highest quality. We have been ISO 9001 certified since 2014 and put a heavy focus on providing only the highest quality engineering design and panel fabrication. Quantum Design works in conjunction with Rockwell Automation to bring our customers the best solution to support their existing processes. Our engineers are well trained and versed in Rockwell Automation software and technology and utilize the support Rockwell offers when needed. Our partnership allows us access to the training and resources needed to offer customers only the best solutions. Get in contact with Quantum Design and discover your solution today.